Hey everybody, I just wanted to go over this SEO research campaign that I did. This SEO research campaign involves keyword research, 5-year data. The calculations are based on 5-year data over the past 5 years. The reason why I like to do 5-year data because it helps me to see how consistent search patterns are within a given month, within a specific area, uh, in general. So here we have on the left, we have our map for our peak states. The numbers inside are the search volume, but I just want to let you know the formulas aren't for the search volume in a specific state. It's more so the search volume for all the keywords. This number only relates to the keywords that are in this particular group. And also, the formula is not for that specific state. This is the overall search volume. So just so you know, so it won't be misleading, that this number doesn't represent the search volume in that specific state per se. The way that that could be fixed is that I would have to collect another data set regarding these same specific keywords to find out the search volume in the state, and then do a calculation based off of this. So this is an overall number, but for the most part, it gives you an idea of the overall search volume of our keywords in focus. This here on the right is our keywords, and the peak month, which means over the past 5 years, when did these keywords peak? And then we have here the search volume of each of these keywords or keyword phrases. Then we have here is our legend for our location and so on. Now down here is our scatter plot, which I won't get too much into that. The algorithm or the calculations are done off of the rank difference, as well as the monthly volume. But for this purpose, I just want to kind of go over the SEO aspect of this. So the way that SEO works is when people are searching for something, and that you have your website or your funnel has a certain amount of technicalities to be able to rank well enough to show up for that user based on their search patterns. So this is an interactive dashboard here, peak month. This is all of our peak months combined into one, but I programmed it to change based on the month. So here, for all months, these are all our keywords. But what if I want to look at how many keywords peaked in January for my list? So here are the keywords. As you can see, they're all peak month January, and here is the overall search pattern. As mentioned, this number here is not the search pattern in the state, so I apologize for that. I need another data set in order to make those calculations correct. This is the overall search volume. But for all intents and purposes, these are the locations where these keywords are peaking at the most. And then we change to February, and then I have my calculations on my scatter plot down here. For March, these are my popular phrases in the overall search pattern. And on the right, you can see it's also will tell me my peak state is Georgia and Mississippi. I also have another data set that gets specific into cities. But as mentioned with all my videos, we have to start from the top layer and kind of work our way in. And that way, we'll know from, a chunk of information down to the granularity of specific cities, zip codes, any demographics or psychographics, intertwined with that data. Do you have any questions about data science and would like to learn how you could use data to expand your business? Leave a comment in the section below or send me a message.